Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to derive a quadratic formula for solving quadratic equations and finding nature of roots. You have already studied the definition of quadratic equation and solution of quadratic equations using the method of splitting of middle terms and by the method of completing of squares. If you want to revise this portion, you can see my video. Link is given in the description box. So let us start. Derivation of quadratic formula. We already know that quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. Now, dividing by a both sides. So, x square plus b upon a x plus c upon a equal to 0 upon a is 0. Now, coefficient of x is b upon a. Multiply it by half, so this will become b by 2a. Add and subtract b upon 2a whole square both sides. So x square plus b upon a x plus adding b upon 2a whole square plus c upon a equal to b upon 2a whole square, or x square plus 2 into b upon 2a x plus b upon 2a whole square. This is equal to b square upon 4a square. Transferring c upon a right side, so it will become minus c upon. Now this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is a plus b whole square. A is x and v is b upon 2a. This is equal to, taking 4a square LCM, b square minus 4ac. Taking square root both sides, so x plus v upon 2a is equal to plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by square root of 4a square is 2a, or x is equal to, transferring b upon 2a to right side, so its sign will change, minus b upon 2a, then plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So 2a is LCM, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac x. Nature of roots. quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And we have already derived the quadratic formula for finding roots of the quadratic equation, which is x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a, where v square minus 4ac is called discriminant. When discriminant b square minus 4ac equal to 0, the quadratic equation will have two equal real roots. When v square minus 4ac greater than 0 means positive, the quadratic equation will have two distinct real roots. Distinct means different. And when v square minus 4ac is negative, less than 0 means negative, the quadratic equation will have no real roots, means its roots will be imaginary. So let us solve few problems based on quadratic formula and nature of roots. With the help of quadratic formula we have just derived, we are going to solve these two problems. First problem is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Coefficient of x square is a and coefficient of x square is 2, so a equal to 2. Coefficient of x is b and here coefficient of x is minus 7, so b equal to minus 7. Constant term c and here constant term is 3, so c equal to 3. First of all, we'll write this formula minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So first of all we will find the value of b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 7 whole square minus 4a is 2 and c is 3. So 49 minus 24, 25, which is positive. So the equation will have two distinct real roots. X equal to minus b. What is b? Minus 7 plus minus square root of v square minus 4ac, which is 25 divided by 2a. A is 2. So this is equal to minus minus plus 7 plus minus square root of 25 is 5 and upon 4. So this is equal to 7 plus 5 upon 4 and 7 minus 5 upon 4. So this is equal to 7 plus 5, 12 upon 4 and 7 minus 5, 2 upon 4. So value of x is 12 upon 4, 3, 2 upon 4, half. So these are the two distinct roots as already discussed. Question number second. 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 equal to 11 upon 30. X is not equal to minus 4 and 7. If x equal to minus 4 plus 4 is 0, and we know that division of 0 is not defined. Similarly, if x equal to 7, 7 minus 7 is 0. Since the division by 0 is not defined, therefore x cannot be equal to minus 4 and 7. Taking LCM, x plus 4, x minus 7. X minus 7 into 1, x minus 7 minus x plus 4 into 1, x plus 4. This is equal to 11 upon 30, or x minus 7 minus x minus 4 divided by, multiply x into x, x square, x into minus 7 minus 7x, 4 into x, 4x, 4 into 7 minus 28. This is equal to 11 upon 30. Here x and x will be cancelled. Minus 7 minus 4 minus 11 divided by x square, minus 7x plus 4x minus 3x minus 28. This is equal to 11 upon 30. Cross multiplication. So 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28 is equal to minus 11 into 30. 11 will be cancelled. So x square minus 3x minus 28. Take minus 30 left hand side, it will be plus 30 equal to 0. So x square minus 3x, 30 minus 28 is plus 2 equal to 0. So is different forms of quadratic equation is given. First of all, after solving, we have to bring them into the standard form. Only then we will be able to apply the formula. So now, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a is equal to coefficient of x square, which is 1, b equal to coefficient of x, which is minus 3, and c is equal to constant term, which is 2. First of all, we will find the value of v square minus 4ac. So what is b? Minus 3. What is a? 1. And what is c? 2. So 9 minus 8, 1, positive. Equation will have distinct real roots. Distinct means different. Now apply the formula. Minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b. b is minus 3. So minus 3 plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is 1 upon 2a. a is also 1. So this is equal to 3 plus minus square root of 1 is 1 divided by 2. So this is equal to 3 plus 1 upon 2 and 3 minus 1 upon 2. So 4 upon 2 and 3 minus 2, 2 upon 2. So this is equal to 2. Now we will find nature of roots of a given quadratic equation. We know that for a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, if v square minus 4ac is less than 0, the quadratic equation will have no real roots. And if v square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means positive, the quadratic equation will have two distinct real roots. And when v square minus 4ac equal to 0, the given quadratic equation will have two equal real roots. So let us find the nature of this quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation is 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to coefficient of x square, which is 2. B equal to coefficient of x, which is minus 3, and c equal to constant term, which is 5. Now discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 3. What is a? 2, and c is 5. So minus 3 square is 9 minus 40. Minus 40 plus 9 equal to minus 31, which is negative. So the given quadratic equation have no real roots. Second question. 2x square minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to 2, b equal to minus 6, and c equal to 3. Let us find the value of d, discriminant. This is equal to b, that is minus 6 whole square, minus 4, a is 2, and c is 3. 36 minus 24, which is 12, positive. So the given quadratic equation will have two distinct real roots. Third question is the given quadratic equation 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4 root 3, and c equal to 4. Discriminant d is equal to b, that is minus 4 root 3 whole square, minus 4, a is 3, c is 4. So this is 48 minus 48, 0. So the given quadratic equation will have two equal real roots. Fourth question. Find the value of k for which the given equation will have two equal real roots. So this is the given quadratic equation. First of all, we have to convert it into the standard form by opening the bracket, multiply kx inside the bracket. So kx square minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, a equal to coefficient of x square, and here coefficient of x square is k, b coefficient of x, and here coefficient of x is minus 2k, c constant term, which is 6. So discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 2k whole square minus 4, a is k, and c is 6. So this is 4k square minus 24k, or 4k common, k minus 6. For equal roots, for equal real roots, b square minus 4ac should be 0. So this is 4k k minus 6. K minus 6 is equal to 0. So the product of these two numbers is 0. So either one of them will be 0. So when 4k equal to 0, k equal to 0. When k minus 6 is equal to 0,